Hey guys, it's Russell back, and welcome to another series on bringing the Mercedes back from the dead. I told you after we did the battery episode and got the car running, I was going to think about what we needed to do next. And definitely the next step is to go get a new tire. This tire exploded some time ago, probably about a year ago, in the driveway. So I need to get the car where I can actually move it, and I can't do it like this. So that's the first order. There's a lot of things I want to do, but this is the first order of business. So I'm just going to pop the wheel cover off the screwdriver. Okay. And you can see all the spider webs and stuff. All right, so let me go get our impact gun, a jack stand, and a socket, and let's take the wheel off. All right, I went ahead and got the vehicle lifted up. I have a jack stand under there. I still have the floor jack sitting there, but it's not holding the vehicle up. 17 millimeter impact socket will remove the lug nuts. And there we go. Now look at that rotor. You can see it. So that's the tire. Really no loss because this tire was wore out anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to do a little research. I'm probably going to get 4 new tires, but I need 1 tire at least right now that holds air so we can do some of our testing. But anyway, I will be back with you guys tomorrow. We put the tire on there. It's possible, maybe, if I have enough guts to get it out on the road. I'm not sure yet, but we'll take it one day at a time. Guys, I appreciate your viewership, and we'll be back tomorrow. Okay guys, here we are back the next day. I went ahead and got me a good used tire. The reason I did that is because this is just going to really be a spare, and I was hoping that I was going to let y'all go for a ride with me in the car. However, I have noticed that my other tires are really badly dry rotted. Bad. All 4 of them, just from, they were old when I got them. They got a lot of tread on them, but they have, I think it's probably not wise to be motoring around on these. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I've got to clean this thing up. It's bothering me so much. So I'm going to probably go to Discount Tires and get the cheapest 195, 70, or 14s that they have, and that one will be the spare, and the old spare, which is dry rotted too. You know, we'll have 4 brand new tires. So the next video that's going to be coming after this one is going to be, we're going to clean the engine compartment up, because we're going to do a lot of maintenance in here, and I need to see what I'm working with. My glow plugs are not working. I have to use starting fluid on this thing when it's cold because of my glow plug relay. It's gone. It's bit the dust. So I need to have a clean area. It's got 5 years worth of pollen and dust on it, and I'm going to get that all cleaned up. I've got to clean this body up at least a little bit. It's really bothering me. There's just a lot of dirt and, you know, dust that's stuck on here. So for once, we're going to give the Mercedes body some love, just to clean it up just a bit, make me feel better. I did do a test spot right here with I had to use the Citral to get this crap off here, but I think that when we get to the actual buffing, and I haven't decided if I'm going to wet sand it. We're just going to have to see how it comes out, but I think we're going to get some good results out of that. But I've got to get this cleaned up. It's really bothering me. I need new windshield wipers. This thing is horrible. So that's what we're going to do in the next video, is we will be doing a cleanup. And this is just going to be an initial first cleanup, because I don't want to take this thing to the tire store looking like this. So it's got to be a little bit better. We'll put some tire shine on there, get the algae off here. This is the north side, so it accumulates a lot of algae. But anyway, guys, I appreciate everybody's viewership, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I will see you guys on the next video.